Shivaya Nam. Good morning, friends. This is Ramalingam from Advanced Technicals. I am going to give Nifty trends for November 12th. Okay, and friends, this video is mainly made for educational purpose, and you can visit my website for disclaimer. Okay, the disclaimer page will give you all the act about the disclaimer. Okay, and this is purely for paper trading purpose. Those who visit my website, they can have a better idea how to become a professional trader, or those who want to become an intraday trader, or those who want to become a trader first. Okay, if you are an investor, it is a different ball game. If you are a trader, it is a different ball game. So those who want to really become a trader, it is a really big challenging task. Okay, those who want to really make money on investing for long term, it is risk appetite is very less. So those who want to really make money in trading, it is really a challenging. So first let me explain what is an investor and what is a trader. I'll tell you, investment is a long term. I'll give you one small example. If you are an investor, you have enough funds, so you will invest in site, or you will invest in gold. So you will forget, you will not look at every day what is the appreciation or what is the depreciation. So investment is for a longer term. Just like that, equity investment is a long term plan. So if you plan for a longer term, you can achieve your goals. So those who are in need of money for every quarterly or every half yearly or every monthly also, intraday trader plans the risk appetite and the reward. So both are planned, then they can become a trader. So the trader, one who needs money on regular interval, is called a trader, and he will take a risk appetite. But an investor who is looking for a longer term and he wants to invest and forget for a longer term, then look for a longer term investment ideas and returns also on a long period. And to choose in both the cases, you need to have a knowledge. First knowledge, then risk management, then patience. All the three you should have. First of all, friends, first let me tell you, first you go and visit my website, Advanced Technicals, advancedtechnicals.com, www.advancedtechnicals.com. There are three different courses, my dear friends. One is basic course, just a starter, or just an intention to come into this field. If you want to become an investor or a trader, or what is stock market, how to be in stock market, how to make profits, how to get knowledge, everything will be taught in introductory course on a small period of 5 hours or 3 hours or 2 hours as per your convenient. So minimum 2 hours is required, my dear friends. On a single day I will cover this subject. Okay, second one is basic course. You need to have this course, and sorry my dear friends, first course fee structure also will be there, second course fee structure is also there, third one is advanced technical course. I will tell you second course, basic course. Basic course is you can become a trader or investor, and this subject will cover almost 7 to 9 indicators and how to use them, and how to become a trader or how to become an investor. And you can also look at the charting tools and candlestick patterns, candlestick studies. They call this candlestick studies as a Japanese candlesticks, and how to use this and how to use the different indicators. All these things will be taught in basic course, and the fee structure is there. You can go and see. The third one is very important, my dear friends. This is advanced technical course. Those who really want to make life out of this field, and those who really dream big, and those who really want to make big impact on the stock market, and they want to become a very good trader, professional trader, for a kind information, this advanced technical course will give you clear idea about all the technicals, fundamentals, news based and psychology based, group psychology, and you will get lot of knowledge about numerology, lot of knowledge about astrological events, lot of knowledge about your risk management, risk reward ratio, money management techniques. See, most of the people, those who look at the chart and technicals, only technicals and fundamentals can help you only 20%. But strategizing a trade is very important. In this aspect, you have to give more time for strategizing your risk reward ratio and trade setup strategy you have to do before getting into the trade. So first one is technicals and fundamentals. Then, as I discussed, all the subjects will be covered. Then money management and risk reward ratio. Then strategizing a trade, getting into the trade, what is your portfolio size, what kind of amount you can risk in each trade, and what is the exact corpus you can utilize for individual trade, and what is the reward you are expecting out of 10 trades. Almost 6 to 7 trades, if you are successful, you are a professional trader. Then 4 trades, if it did stop losses, so don't worry. So this kind of training will be given in advanced technical course. First, again I will repeat, my friends: technicals, fundamentals, news to base, astrological events, then numerology subject, then psychology, market psychology, group psychology, risk reward ratio, money management, strategizing a trade, and many more market secrets will be revealed on time to time, because this is a 12 months course, weekly 2 days as per your convenient, and the timings are, everything is specified in the website. Thank you, friends. Have a good trading section on November 12th, Monday. Om Shivaya Nama. I will tell you now the trade setup for Monday on Nifty spot. Always I will be talking on spot, that is cash market. Looking at the cash market, looking at the spot, you can trade in future if any traders are there. In individual stocks, looking at the stocks spot cash, then you can trade in future if you are a trader. This is purely for educational purpose. These levels are purely for educational purpose, to getting grown. Looking at these levels, you can plan your paper trading, then you can come to a conclusion, and you can become a professional trader over a long period. And even if you come to me, I will charge, all the fee structures are given as per the courses which I have discussed earlier. So friends, now I will be giving you Nifty levels for November 12th. Okay, please make a note. Nifty is in short term or medium term. Please make a very thorough note. This is Nifty spot. Nifty is in temporarily downtrend, medium and short term downtrend. Everybody will be confused. The whole media and all TV channels are covering Nifty as bounce back from 10,004, 10,012, 10,105. So everybody is talking about reversal. Sorry, my dear friends, Nifty will not be reversed. surpassed very shortly. There are a lot of events to be surpassed and lot of things has to be surpassed. Political, geopolitical, trade war, recent RBI norms and government and RBI and in the country what all bad news are arising on day-to-day basis. Then apart from this, you don't have a very good stock valuation as of now. That is why FIs are leaving our country after pulling back their huge corpus from our equity market. So they will not be coming back very shortly to our markets. There are more cheaper markets than our Indian market. So the realistic prices has to come, my dear friends. Then only Nifty can bounce back from after retracement levels, after all-time high 11,760. Nifty made from there, it has took a correction of up to 10,004. Friends, this 1,760 points approximately has corrected. So some people think this is a right time, right opportunity to buy, but still stocks are in very costly and overvalued. So friends, don't be in a hurry, keep patience, watch all these charts, take your own decisions. Those who are real traders, those who are paper traders, practice, educate yourself and make decisions, strategize your trades even in paper trading, then analyze your risks, then come to a conclusion to enter a trade. So many things are there. For Nifty, tomorrow, Monday, November 12th, 2018. This is for purely paper trading. All disclaimers are in my website. These levels are not for real-time trader. This is to just make a note, observe for a longer period, then you can come into my fold for training purposes. Then you choose the training schemes, then you become a professional trader, then you can trade these levels. Till that time, it is not advisable, or if you don't come to me also, get it trained with anybody else, those who give pakka levels and pakka trading, training and risk appetite levels. All these things you can get it from any professionals. Then you become a professional trader, then you can trade in live market. Trading is a very dangerous subject, my dear friends. Investment is for longer term, always better. So if you want to become a trader, you can make fast bucks, but if you want to become an investor, you have to slow and steadily move your boat, so then you can achieve your destiny. So both the things are in your hand, you have to decide. And again friends, this is for only paper trading, not for real-time trading, and all disclaimers are in my website www.advancedtechnicals.com. okay, there you can see the disclaimer page. Try to understand all the disclaimers, then you decide which course you want, then you can become a professional trader. Thank you very much on the introduction of the subject. Now I will tell you, Nifty 10,656 is the major resistance level for November 12th. So if it breaches only temporarily, it can go up to 10,829. Otherwise, Nifty will come to a first target. If you are shorting tomorrow, or those who have shorted on Friday, they can book their profit at 10,495. First target. Second target, friends, 10,399. If you are holding for 2 to 3 days, I will tell you next levels. Third target is 10,249. So all these three levels are achieved means please exit, observe for 1 to 2 days, then again you can get into the position. I will tell you the levels on day-to-day basis. So make a note of these three levels. Once again I will repeat, friends. 10,656, 10,656 is your stops as per the cash spot. Looking at the spot trade in future, 10,656 Nifty. Then second comes the first target, 10,495. You can trial. 10,399 you can trial. 10,249 you can trial. If Nifty trades above 10,656, please exit your position. Wait next level, which I will be giving very shortly. This is about Nifty, and if you have any doubts you can call me on this number 9343868634. Once again I will repeat you, 9343868634, Bangalore, Ramalingam. Okay, all the disclaimers are in advancedtechnicals.com. Thank you, friends. This is for Nifty levels. Okay, so I will tell you 5 stocks for November 12th. You can even take this and observe, do a paper trading, and all the stocks as well as for Nifty, all the disclaimers are in www.advancedtechnicals.com. This is purely, these levels are given for paper trading, not for real-time trading. Once again I repeat, my dear friends, thank you, and I'll give you 5 stocks. Please make a note. 1 second. First one is Davis Lab. My dear friends, it is very bullish and it has run very long. Even though in falling market, Davis Lab has made a huge impact and it has rallied. So, but now Davis Lab will stall, my dear friends, from November 12th. First 45 minutes, 3 times I am repeating, my dear friends. First 45 minutes you have to wait, then go and take 1562 is last close. I am telling you, friends, 1562 is the last close, but you can keep a stop loss of 1601 spot, and you can go short anywhere near 1579 or 1594 levels. Then you can wait for a bigger target I'll be giving in near future. Stops are given 1601. You don't have to worry about the stops, and 1579 and 1594 levels you can go short. Davis Lab. So easily you can go sell Davis Lab. This is the first stock. You make a note, do a paper trading, get analyzed about the stocks, go to the charting, do your strategy, do your analyzation, do your own risk appetite, do your own money management, do your own homework. You will get a better idea. This Davis Lab, tomorrow it is going to fall, though the stop loss is 1601. Your level is 1579 and 1594. In between you can take the short. If you are not getting this level, forget it, don't trade this stock. Okay, this is how you have to be. If you are getting the level, because your stops should be very near to your entry level. So if your entry level and your stops is nearer, then your risk appetite and the money management will work. So out of 10 trades, even 4 trade stops, it's also, you will be making big money in stocks trading also. My dear friends, second stock, please wait 1 second. Thermax. Thermax. First stock is Davis Lab. Second stock is Thermax. Thermax is 1028 or 1052. So friends, near 1052 or 1030 levels you can go short. Since I have told index is in falling and bearish grip, so bearish grip, so I am giving only sell stocks. I am not giving any buy stocks. For your kind information, this is Thermax is a sell 1030 1052. Stops is 1085. Spot cash. Keeping this, you can trade in future also if the stock is available in future. Or shorting the individual stock is very risky. If you don't get a buyer at before 330 or 315, 320, 1229, you will be stuck and it will go for auction and you will be penalized also. Friends, don't short these stocks. If you have in future, better to go and short. That is paper trading you have to do, not a real-time trading. Friends, again and again I am repeating, so please make a note. Okay, the third one is Primal Enterprises. 2332 levels, 2332 to 2350 levels you can go short. Again, this is a sell script, so if you have this script in future, I think this is available. All the three stocks are available in future. I guess you also make a study on whether it is available in future, then you can go short. As per my knowledge, these three things are in futures. Okay, Primal Enterprises 2330 and 2350 levels you can go short, and you can keep a stop loss of 2410 levels. A bigger stocks, friends, because a lot of movements will be there in the stocks, and a lot of liquidity also is there, I think. So this is the first one is Davis Lab, second one is Thermax, the third one is Primal Enterprises. So the stop loss is 2410. Friends, look at this part, trade in future. Okay, if there is no future, don't trade. Okay, fourth one is, one second friends.